Hey everyone! Chef Oswald here, and today I'm excited to share with you a delightful recipe for a homemade vegan chai latte. It's a comforting, aromatic drink that's perfect for those cozy moments at home. Want to learn how to do it? So let's dive right into it. Check out the ingredients you will need. Start by taking 2 cups of water and adding in your tea bags or loose black tea along with a cinnamon stick, whole cloves, green cardamom pods, and fresh ginger. Bring this mixture to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your taste preference. Remove the saucepan from the heat and remove the tea bags or strain out the loose tea and spices. Return the saucepan to the heat and pour in 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Warm it over low-medium heat, stirring occasionally until it's hot but not boiling. Add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup or your preferred sweetener to the mixture, and then sprinkle in ground nutmeg, ground black pepper, ground cinnamon, and a pinch of ground cloves and cardamom if you like a little extra kick. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste by adding more maple syrup if needed. Now, continue to heat the mixture for a few more minutes to ensure all the flavors meld together beautifully. Almost there. Pour your homemade vegan chai latte into mugs, and if you have a milk frother, froth some extra almond milk to top off your latte for that creamy finish. Serve it up piping hot, and if you're feeling fancy, dust the top with a bit more ground cinnamon or nutmeg for an extra touch of flavor. There you have it, your very own homemade vegan chai latte. It's the perfect way to unwind and enjoy a cozy moment. So give it a try, and I promise you won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your fellow chai lovers. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy sipping.